Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're going to dive right into how to use Monday.com to manage IT projects, your complete guide for 2025. First off, you'll want to set up your project on Monday.com. By clicking on the New button and selecting Project, you can then name your project and add a description. This helps us because it gives everyone involved a clear understanding of what the project is about. Next up, define your workflow. To do this, go to the board view, click on Columns, then Status. Now you can customize your workflow stages. This is important because it allows you to visualize the project's progression, making it easier to manage. Now that we've done that, let's move on to assigning tasks. In the Pulses section, click on Add, then Task. Here, you can assign tasks to team members, set due dates, and detail the task. The reason we do this is to ensure that everyone knows what they need to do and when they are supposed to do it. Once you have your tasks sorted, it's time to integrate your tools. Click on Integrations and select your desired tools like Slack or Jira. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. Monday.com is syncing your project with these tools, making it easier for you to manage everything in one place. Finally, you'll want to set up automations. Go to Automations, click Add, and select your desired automation. This helps us because it automates repetitive tasks, saving you time and reducing the risk of human error. And there you have it. That's how you use Monday.com to manage IT projects. Remember, the key is to keep your project organized and ensure everything is communicated clearly. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep managing those projects like a pro.